Hi guys, I'm now at a LLumar dealership. We have been talking a lot about LLumar's latest paint protection film. Now today we are here to show you this particular unit. This Volvo XC60 belongs to one of their customers, and from what I was told, this car, the customer picked this car up from the dealership and drove it straight here. And what I was informed by the sifus here is that it took them a day to clean the car up. So this is not something that you just drive the car in and they stick, and then you're off your merry way. You actually have to leave your car here for a considerable period of time because they are very, very meticulous in cleaning the cars up. If you remember, even Bobby's car at the time when he put just for the headlamps and the side mirrors alone, that installation job also took 2 days. So the owner brought this car in the morning, or on a Monday morning. They spent the whole Monday cleaning the car up, and it was only Tuesday before they actually started applying the films on the car, all right, on various panels of the car. So this owner opted for the full protection, so he's got the whole body covered. Okay guys, so we now rejoin the installers as they prepare to stick a PPF film on the rear bumper of this XC60. So before putting the film up, they're doing one more round of cleaning to the bumper. Yes, more cleaning. This plastic thing here, this is a fabric. Okay, this is a fabric edge. So as he scrapes it out, so the fabric will wipe the water off the surface. Nice. Okay guys, so now that they have cleaned the bumper, they have now taken the film out to measure according to and cut the film to the precise shape of the bumper. Okay, so earlier after they measured, now they have cut the film. Okay, now see, I assume this is for the part where the opening of the tailgate lah. So this is that, and they are going to put the film on. So now they are peeling off the back piece. So that's just pure water, cooling it off. So see guys, at each character line, right, the film terminates and they will sambong a new film underneath. This bumper alone is going to be protected by 3 separate pieces of film. They are already pulling the film to generate that tension in the film around the edges of the panel. So let's just come in up close and see. Okay, you can see the tension in the film here. And they've moved on to the other side. So you see this, the sifu there pulling the film, right? And you can see the tension in this part of the film. Okay, so the sticking process is still ongoing. It's been what, 10-15 minutes. Right, you can see progress. You can see this part. Okay, the film is already almost flush with the bumper. So later they're going to have to slice. They're going to have to cut this to shape of the bumper. Okay, guys. So while they are fixing that side, let me just show you what they have done here. So you can see, right, the film here, it already follows the contours of the panel. Okay, it already follows the contours of the panel. So they have they've really pulled the film, maximized its tension to really stick on the panel of the car. Okay guys, so they're making very, very good progress here. And as you can see at the edges, right, what they do is they leave a bit of extra material here, and they just put this to wrap around the edges. Okay, we'll just inspect the up close here. So you see here they've already cut the edges to more closely match the panel, okay, the panel size, and you can see how it it really is flush with the panel. They've managed to create that tension very well on the surface so that it really adheres to it. And what the significance of this is that by having this wrap around effect, it eliminates, you know, having the edges to run along the side. For it gives a much neater looking finish. Okay, so it's now peeling off the top edge, the excess film. Okay, so this piece here is more or less covered. So here, yeah, and all I have to do is just to close this in. This part here also, you'll need to cut this film according to the line of the bumper. So guys, you can see this is very painstaking work. Alright, this XC60 here has been here for 4 days, and they're still doing it. Alright, and you can see that the money that you pay for this does not buy you just the film. It buys you a good 4 days of workmanship, alright, by 3 installers. So see, it's peeling off the lower edge, and hence you see the film here, it matches precisely the character lines of the bumper. Okay guys, so this really, we are at the finishing stage of just this piece. Okay, so we look at the edges, right? They have cut the film here. This one also has stick to the edge already, and we'll go over to the other side. This one also, yeah, quite done. Yeah, just this little piece which they have to cut out later, but overall, yeah, very near completion. And so right, so I've been here, okay, looking at this, filming various stages of it. It's been, I think, what, at least an hour and a half of them doing this. So imagine, guys, look at this. This strip, this top strip, right here upwards, all this is already 1.5 hours of work. Okay guys, so we'll be leaving this car right now. Okay, this car has been with the dealer here for 4 days, right? Today, as I film this, it's Friday. The car is due to be returned to the owner the following Monday. Yeah, so 7 days here, of course 2 days holiday, 2 days weekend. So yeah, it's about 5 to 5.5 working days just to do up one car, front to back, full package. Okay guys, so remember, if you are interested in LLumar PPF films, EWO Club members get a special discount on all packages. Just PM us on Facebook. We'll hook you up with them to give you your special price. Alright, cheers. LLumar paint protection films are available at selected participating LLumar outlets that are listed in the description section. The films are covered by a 7-year manufacturer warranty, which will be honored at any of these selected dealerships.